Once you send over your blood work, you'll make sure to grab your Chem 17, a Chem 4, and then in this case, the doctor wants to run a CPL. So we'll also grab our clip for the CPL. Our blood is rocking, so we make sure that it doesn't clot. I'm going to grab a whole blood separator, a maroon micropipette with the 700 microliters on here, with a blue pipette tip. The machines have been woken up this morning already, so they're ready to go. I'm going to click on Jasper here, and then we are running total body function, so I'm going to need my ProCyte, I'm going to need my catalyst, and since I'm doing the CPL, I'm not doing the snap test, I don't need to do anything here. I'm just going to press run. This will wake up the ProCyte now, so I'm going to invert my tube 10 times. The door now opens on its own. I will take out the old sample that is in there. I have Jasper's blood. I'm going to invert it 10 times, insert it, and press go. On the screen, I'll now press OK, and I can switch over to the catalyst. For the catalyst, I'm going to take my little green tube here, undo it, push down on my lever, insert it into the tube, and slowly pull back on the lever and place it into my whole blood separator. Being careful not to add any bubbles into it, because sometimes that can affect the reading. I'm going to save the blood in case we need more for later. Back onto the rocker, and you can discard this. On our machine, I'm going to press Mr. Jasper, select, and I'm using whole blood. So I could spin it down in our mini centrifuge to use the plasma, or I could have used serum as well. Our door will open, and I'm going to take out the old sample that was in there, place a new sample in. Next, I'm going to take out our 17 clip first. Doesn't really matter what order you do it in, this is just the order I did it. Being careful not to touch the white edges on the side here, so I'm only touching the black part. I'm going to slide it in, pull it, same thing with my lights. Touching only the black part, slide it in, pull it, and last but not least, my CPL clip, place it on top. From here, my clips are added, my blood is in, so I can now press run and let it do its own thing. It takes about 9 minutes.